Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a wig try on for Alibele Hair Company. This is their lace front deep curly hair. I know I said deep wave in this video a couple of times, but this is their deep curly hair. Okay, it's kind of like a combination of deep wave and curly, so that's where I think they're getting the name from. Okay, so this is how the unit looks fresh out the box, and today I will be trying the Bald Cap Wig Method for the very first time ever. Okay, I think it looked really cool after the whole process, but here it goes. Okay, so I wanted this to be a talk through video, but I don't know if you guys could see behind me. My kids were watching TV and they were just laughing and giggling a little bit too much. So yeah, we're just gonna do a voiceover. Okay, so I already had my hair in a ponytail and I just lowered it to do the bald cap method, which honestly I am a little bit intimidated by because it involves a lot of gel, a lot of glues and tricks and all kinds of stuff. So finally gonna be brave today and give it a try. Okay, so I went out and I got me some knee highs. I think some ladies use the just regular stockings, but I got these knee highs. I believe I got them from either Walmart or Rite Aid for $1, I think it was, and I got them in a darker brown color, so this way I don't have to deal with foundation and powder. I personally feel like if you use a lighter colored knee high and you put foundation on it, it kind of just adds more work. Just get you know, a stocking or a knee high that actually matches your complexion so you don't have to do all that extra work. I must say it's super tight once it's on there, but you definitely need it to be tight when you put on your glue or got to be gel. So I'm just using the back of a rat tail comb to put this gel on, pretty much overlapping it onto my hairline and fading it in. So that would probably be the only thing that I would say bothers me a bit about this method, the amount of gel that you have to use. But if you're using a hair glue, I don't think it's this much. It's very thin layer of um, lace glue that you will need. Okay, but I'm using the got to be because that's what I have available. Use whatever it is you have available. They sell all kinds of lace front glue, frontal glues in the beauty supply and online, so just find one that works for you. Okay, so once I have that applied, I'm gonna go in with the got to be freeze spray and just put that on just for an extra layer of hold. And honestly, I feel like my face is starting to swell, like, you know, when you put a band-aid around your thumb, I feel like my face is starting to look like a thumb. Oh my gosh, not a good look. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend that in as well, or mix that in, and then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting to dry this. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer. I got this dryer in the clearance section in Walmart. If you guys are curious, it was like 11 bucks and it works so good. It also came with attachments, you guys. So if you have like natural hair or curly hair and you want to do like a rough blow dry on it, you could put one of the attachments on and just go through it, and it will give you a nice, stretch, straightened look. Okay. So I felt so much better cutting that area right there. It kind of like relieved the pressure because I really felt like my face was starting to swell, you guys. Like it just wasn't looking good. All right, so carefully cut off the wig cap. I think I keep saying lace, but carefully cut off the lace. Do not cut your hairline. Okay, I'm trying my very best not to cut mine. I love my hairline a lot, so yeah. I did hear that a lot of ladies are starting to shave their hairlines off just so they can do the wig cap, ball cap method. Why? I'm just asking. It's your choice. You could do whatever you like, but that's just, I don't know. It's not for me. Okay, I'm not that dedicated to wig wearing, but if you are, if that's what you like, go right ahead and shave that hairline off. All right, so now I'm gonna go back in with a bit of the got to be free spray and smooth down the edge of the wig cap, Try to get it as smooth as I can. Another reason why I use a dark cap or knee high for this is so that I don't have to put on all the foundation and all the powder and all of that stuff. So just less work for me. So I think it turned out pretty okay. I do have a part there that's lifting a bit, but I'm not really going anywhere. So yeah, I do love how this lace looks so natural. Definitely pick a lace that is closest to your skin tone when ordering this unit. And as you guys can see on the inside, it does have combs, it does have an adjustable strap, and it's also pre-plucked. But as you can see, straight out the box, you definitely have to put some work into this unit. It's not going to look exactly like the picture straight out of the box. You have to put some work into it and you have to style it. So this is how it looks. Okay, here's a close-up. It's how the sides look. And I was trying to do a talk through like I mentioned before, but the TV was just way too loud in the background and I could hear it and I didn't want to have a copyright strike or anything weird. So to style the unit, I'm going to go through it with a wide tooth comb, but I'm also going to use a mixture of water and conditioner and some essential oils just to go through it and comb it out. This is going to help separate the curls and fluff out the wig. Please take your time when doing something like this. You don't want to rip hair out. Once you have your unit combed out, we're going to go ahead and put this on and see how she looks. And definitely 100% better than when I first put it on straight out the box. So I'm going to go ahead and try to attach this to my ball cap, okay? That's the whole point of me doing this, to see if I can completely glue this down, which I didn't end up being able to do the entire thing. I went pretty much all the way down to the ear tab area, and that was it. But further than I usually get, okay? I'm going to blow dry that a bit to make it get a bit tacky, and then I'm going to put the lace from the wig on top of the got to be glued gel. This is not a hair glue, just a gel, okay? Do not use this in the summertime, you guys, alright? It works for cold weather, cooler months, but not for humid, hot days. And remember to have your blow dryer on the cool setting. It does take some practice, I bet, to get this ball cap method down to perfection, but I really do like the knee highs that I got. I know I keep saying lace, but I guess it would be lace, right? Yeah, it's a very thin lace. Yeah, knee highs are lace. Okay, so I'm right, I think. I don't know. Whatever. But I think the knee highs that I got were pretty good for my first time doing this. They were a bit tight when I first put it on, but once you have the stocking attached to your head and you cut it and relieve that pressure, it's a lot more comfortable than, you know, when you first put it on. So I went in with a bit of the mousse, the wrapping mousse. You can use whatever mousse you have available. One that is for curly hair would be best, but I used what I have, like I said, and I just wanted to run this through the curls to get them nice and shiny, to kind of bring them back together because the hair got a little too puffy for my liking. So I just went through it with the mousse and a lot of the water conditioner mixture, and as you guys can see, it got really saturated. And from the looks of it, if you looked at me like with a glance, you would never know that this is a wig, even if you were standing right in front of me, unless you got really close, and then you may see, you know, the lace where it starts and where it ends. But I think for my first time doing the ball cap method, this turned out pretty good. I wasn't able to glue it down 100% of the way, about 80% of the way, but that's okay. I'm okay with that. I must say I love the way this unit turned out from Alibele. Definitely check them out if you're looking for a lace front unit with a natural looking hairline that's already pre-plucked. The only thing you'll have to do is actually take apart the curls, wet it, or wash it to get it looking right. But other than that, I have no issues with it. When I combed through the unit, there wasn't a lot of shedding. I did end up washing this unit this same night, and the curls bounced back perfectly. There was very minimal shedding and no smell to this hair. So definitely check out Alibele. I'll have their information down below in the description box for you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'll see you guys all very soon in another video. Bye guys.